What's up guys, ZackScott here. Sometimes people ask for a little bit more detailed look into my life. I'm off work today. I was off work yesterday. Oklahoma had a huge snowstorm, a huge blizzard, and shut down. We don't have the infrastructure to keep it clear off our roads in a timely manner, so it shut down a lot of places for 2 days. This is the second day. I didn't shovel the snow yesterday because the wind was still blowing the snow all around. So I have a snowdrift out in the driveway to deal with, but I got my hat that Ashley made me. I got gloves. I have a shirt, a jacket. I have pants and shoes and heavy socks under those shoes. You can see my breath. I'm in the garage. It's freaking cold. Let's shovel some snow. Okay, I can't get this garage door open because it's frozen. The snow is frozen to the garage door, to the ground. So I'm not strong enough to lift. I'm wearing sunglasses on top of my glasses because I'm anticipating the snow to be very bright. Yeah, I got the smaller garage door open. I actually have two garage doors. So I got the smaller one open right here. Look at all the snow. Look at this. Look at this crazy world. It's an Arctic tundra out here. And there's all the snow in my driveway that I'm gonna have to remove, which is gonna suck. So bad. Alright. I plan on just shoveling my, I keep saying scoop. I plan on shoveling my side, and then maybe Ashley's will melt before she has to leave the house. Okay, I had to go get a scarf because it's really cold out, and my snow shovel. Thankfully, Ashley makes like 20 scarves a year, so it's all gonna work out. So far, I've made a small dent in the snow. Let's check it out. All right. There's the part I scooped out so far. Not much. And then my front porch area is where there's a lot of snow built up too. So I've been trying to scoop it off at the front porch, just in case anyone needs to walk up here, I guess. I don't know. Okay guys, what's up? I have a path from my car area, garage, to the street, sort of. Not quite. And I kind of made a path. Of course, it's all icy. Path from here to the porch, sort of. I cut off the porch though. Man, what a winter. Oklahoma blizzard 2010. No, 2011, sorry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this gives some valuable insight to the snowstorm.